Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 68 reg Volkswagen Sharan, front parking sensors, electronic rear doors, privacy glass, rear parking sensors, one owner, in petrol. Side airbags, instruction manual in here, and to open the rear doors, they're electronic. This is your luggage compartment cover that comes across the back here. These seats, as you see, are all ISOFIX. It is ISOFIX rear seats as well. These seats will fold down into the floor, so you get all that luggage space. Let me show you. It folds down like this. Then this covers this, and this seat comes back down. To shut it from inside, you would push this button here. Shuts the door. To open the tailgate, electronic. Obviously this seat is the same as this, so this folds down and this folds down. To give you an idea, this, as I say, would fold down like that. Give you that idea. This is where the luggage thing goes in here. It locks into there. Power outlet here. You've got these hooks as well, hook stuff too. To shut the tailgate, you push this button here. Pushes the tailgate down. Has a camera on the rear as well, actually, so I will show you. This, as I say, goes in the back there. You've got these pockets as well here, storing stuff on both sides there, you can see. USBs here, USBs, little storage area there. To shut the tailgate, shut the door, you push this and the door shuts. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, locking and unlocking. Electronic back of the seat, lumbar support here, height adjustable, and it's automatic lights. This is the key. And there to start the vehicle. It's done 30,214 miles. Handy pocket here to store stuff. You have this pocket here, which will come down to store stuff for the rear passengers. Another pocket here, all handy storage. Illuminated vanity mirrors. It has Android Auto, Apple Carplay, mirror link. Radio, turn it on for the radio. DAB radio, CD player here. Heated seats. Dual climate, sync, also you can turn your rear on here. Controls the rear. This here is to undo your doors, the two back sliding doors. This is your tailgate, start, stop, on and off, traction control, parking sensor you can turn off. So it's automatic, as you can see here. Nice pocket here, drinks holders here, in this here you have a USB auxiliary and a power point, power outlet there. Obviously a power outlet there as well. So a reversing camera. Menu. Got your different apps here, settings, phone, media, radio. Good stereo as well. Very good stereo. Hold this too. Open the door. Shuts the door electronically. These buttons here, basically, to turn the vehicle off, turn the key off. That's automatic lights. This is your different menus and that up on the screen. You're going to change these different menus up here. With this button here. If you want to drive manually, you got these here. Drive manually. If you have any questions, please give us a call.